In front of me is OnePlus 5T, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Then hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!